Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can take a photo or a video in your assignments. Find the assignment you want to do. Click the green button that says Add Response. You can click on Photo to take a picture or Video to take a video. Let's add a photo. When your camera comes on, you have 3 buttons you can press to take the picture. Hold your camera up to your paper. Make sure you get a good picture. This is a good picture. I can see all the words. This is not a good picture. I can't see all the words. This is not a good picture. The paper is kind of messed up, don't you think? Once you have a good picture, hold the camera still and press one of the green buttons. When you hear that sound, there you go.